In today's video, you'll see a revitalizing foot treatment involving callus peeling and a soothing foot massage. So sit back and relax. First, the feet are cleaned and disinfected in preparation for the treatment. Callus peeling patches are then applied to remove hard, callous skin and add moisture. The feet are wrapped in plastic film and left whilst the patches take effect. Then the calluses are carefully and painlessly removed. A relaxing foot bath of salt and rose petals soothes the skin. Once the feet are dried, the nails are filed, and cuticles and the rest of the dead skin are removed. The nails are then buffed and primer is applied. Followed by some nail reconstruction and multiple coats of polish. Cuticle oil is used to increase circulation and stimulate nail growth. Next, a bubble mask is applied to soften and hydrate the feet. Oil is then rubbed into the skin, and the session is finished off with a massage to relax both the feet and the entire body. We hope you enjoyed this video. Join us next time for some more relaxing content.